All right, Kristen, so there's been this thing about Oviedo that we just don't have a great food scene, but it's all changed since the food factory has come to Oviedo. And stick around because we're not only going to show you everything that the food factory has to offer, but also Oviedo on the Park.
We are Kat and Kristen with the West Collection by eXp Realty, and also on our channel you will see Jeremy West, who handles our mortgage business, as we are a full service team here in Central Florida.
If this is your first time on the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we come out with new videos regularly. And if you are looking to move to Seminole County or the Central Florida area, you can book a call below. But now let's go show you around.
So I've actually never been to the food factory before, but I know these are your stomping grounds, so I'm so excited for you to show us around. I've already got my eyes on some of the really good sounding food places here.
It is delicious and it is such a vibe. But before we check it out, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about where we are and what this area has to offer. So we are inside of Oviedo on the Park, and across from the food factory, they just built these beautiful luxury townhomes that are a great investment because the bottom floor is made up of businesses, so you could rent that out to a business. You can live in the top, and then in the back there is like a studio apartment, so you can rent that out as well.
Amazing.
Which is super cool. Also, you have Oviedo on the Park, where there's a dog park, there's a playground, a splash pad, tons of events. Like, check out the calendar, especially for the holidays, because they have at least 3 events that Oviedo puts on at the park for Christmas every single year. And then we also have some apartments. So if you're looking to rent, a lot of people are transient here, not exactly knowing where they're going to move. You can rent here. The Strand is a great location. There's also some homes as well. There's 2 streets of homes on Windy Pine and Oviedo Boulevard. And those homes range from about 600 to 700,000 right now. And then there's also another townhome option. So there's 3-story townhomes. They're beautiful. You just feel like you're like in the city. They're very New York vibe. So this place has so much to offer, but I just wanted to fill y'all in on that before we go and check out all the yummy food. This right here is why my husband loves this place. They have so many televisions inside for football. They've got the ticket, they've got TVs outside, but this is really like the hub of the food factory.
I feel like I've also heard that they have like live music, and they're like a bingo night.
They have live music on the weekends outside, and this place is packed. And then they'll also have a trivia night. They're always coming up with fun things to get the community involved. But let's go check it out. Oviedo Park Pub has the best cocktail menu. We're gonna try a couple of their seasonal cocktails. I have the Come and Get That Pollen, and Kristen has the Cider Mule. And these are actually only 2 of their 52 different cocktail options. I knew I'd find my husband here watching football.
What I'm always doing.
So what do you love about the food factory?
The TV. So if you like football, you can come here on college football or NFL Sunday and you can see every single game. So for me, that's a great option. And it's like a great family place, but you can also come to the bar. And like we're allowed to bring our son here because he's like the coolest kid ever in the world. But it's like a cool place to hang out, but the families kind of stay out there, right?
Yeah, I think they only let children in here up to a certain hour, and then they have to be outside after hours. It's 18 and up.
But JJ's grandfathered in, I think, right?
No.
No? Okay.
At this time, there are 7 restaurants inside of the food factory to choose from. We have Cress Waffle Company, The Little Greek, and Grilled Cheeses.
It's also Buttercrust Pizza, The Local Hen, got Tacos My Guy, and Kai Asian Street Fair. I can't decide what I'm gonna get. It all sounds so good.
There are a lot of great options. We're standing in front of The Local Hen right now, and one of their fan favorites is their chicken and waffles, and it is delicious. This place has so much to offer. The food factory is amazing, but there are also some other great restaurants. There is a new wine bar that just opened, the Crazy Court, Habla, an Indian restaurant.
Ford's Garage is here. There's also Brewster's Ice Cream, which is so good. They have a juice spot.
And they also have some beauty options. There's a really cool place to get a head massage. Also, there's a Pure Bar. So this is where you could live and get everything done. Thanks for letting us show you around Oviedo on the Park and the Food Factory today. If you'd like to see more information on all things Central Florida, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.